See how you can send messages via Zapier. For that, the very first thing you need to do is access our Postman API documentation and go to messages section in it and simply select the option of send message template text. So this way you'll understand what is the API that we need to call. Now we'll go to our CRM and click on this templates icon, because the API that we need to call via Zapier, for that we need the template JSON. So for example, this template has one variable in the body and as well as an image header. So if you click on this curly bracket icons, you will see the entire JSON. We need to paste this inside Zapier. Now let us go to Zapier. Click on add a new action and select webhooks by Zapier. Here in the event, click on custom request. The method will be post. Now we'll frame the URL. The URL requires API URL, version, phone number ID and messages. Click on these three dots, click on access token. You'll get your API URL, phone number ID and access token. Now let us go and enter the API URL / version, phone number ID and messages. So version is v19.0. Phone number ID is available here. Copy it and then / messages. There is no / after messages. So now the URL is done. The next step is data pass through. We'll set it as false. Now the JSON body data. So the body data will be our template content. Wait, let me set the headers first. So the headers, there will be two headers. One is the body type header and then the second is the authorization. So for authorization, the header value will be authorization and then the token will be this, and with token we need to mention bearer space the token. Now the second header will be the content type, which is application / JSON. Ensure you don't have any extra lines here. Now we'll go to the data part. In the data, we'll enter the JSON body. Now in this body, we need to replace the image URL as well as the body variable. You can map it from any of your previous actions. Copy image address and it should be direct image link. It should not be a Google Drive link or something. You need to change the receiver here with the phone number and the country code. Now once this is done, we'll scroll down and we have to select one final option here. Unflatten, yes or no. Let us once try with no. Test. So the message shows as queued and I have received the message in my mobile. So it is as simple as this. You need to ensure that you enter the header properly, that is the header token properly. These values are important. Unflattened should be no. The JSON body should have proper variables, proper receiver number, and then the URL should be properly framed. This is how you can send messages from Zapier. Thank you.